Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing going on. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so people, I covered the sad story, my viewers and subscribers, where a police corporal was gunned down, my viewers and subscribers, on Friday, July the 2nd, sometime up in the night. Well, my viewers and subscribers, at that point covering the story, my people, I giving you the breaking point, or I gave you the breaking point on the news and the story and the everything, people, which when I don't know, so NEWLINK go on do some checks, I go on do some investigation, get any local sources, any local information, people, and then me go come so boom and share it with you all. Well, my viewers and subscribers, as we do, you don't know how the attacking basket to work. I did some research. I did some investigations, my people. And me I tell us, people, I get some information, a lot of information pertaining to this thing. And only Jah sees and knows, my viewers and subscribers. I also even have a voice recording, my people. You understand, to share with you all. But only Jah sees and he knows. Well, for now, my people, what me I gonna do? Me I gonna share a little piece of video with you people with this police corporal in his earlier happy days, people, and them said this don't happen long before he was killed. Well, this corporal who goes by the name of DEV0N Thomas, people, and I just want to check out that little piece, because this man was a fun man, you know. He was also a very well, you know, entertainer man, Jah sees. So watch this piece of clip of people.
He can give you the world, but he'll never love you the way. Come on, man. Come on. Play that, man. Come on. He can take you out when he plays you out. The fancy club and restaurants. But I can only stand by what you eat. My nose pressed up against.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, that was DEV0N Thomas, you understand, in his happier days, and them say it wasn't too long before he was cut down. But only Jah sees and he knows. So I'm going to do now, people, I'm going to read this little article here right now, then I'm going to share a voice recording with you, my people. Yeah, man, and then the attacking boss drop in the attack. You don't know the thing. So let's get into this. Kingston, Jamaica. The police high command is condemning the killing of Corporal DEV0N Thomas, who was gunned down in Papine, St. Andrew on Friday, July 2nd. Thomas was reportedly at a bar in Papine, St. Andrew about 8:35 p.m. on Friday, July 2nd. When he was shot by gunmen, he succumbed to his injuries at hospital. The JCF family extends condolences to the family of Corporal Thomas. We know you are hurting because the entire JCF is also grieving, the High Command said. Reports are that a top-level probe into the circumstances surrounding the killing of Corporal Thomas has been ordered by the High Command. Meanwhile, the Forces Chaplaincy Service Branch and the Community Safety and Security Branch have been dispatched to the St. Andrew Central Division to give support to the colleagues of Corporal Thomas. Support has also been offered to his family. Thomas last served the St. Andrew Central Division. Jah sees, Jah knows, my viewers and subscribers. Zine? And the thing is, the people, the man there at a bar sit people according to where they, you know what I mean, people? Man rolling, and man just, yo, only Jah sees and he knows. Well, my people, let me just share this voice recording with you all, and then I come back in with this thing, because, yo, as we tell you, so base, my people, and way the whole thing I say, my people, man there at a bar, and you don't know, so just listen to this voice recording and our viewers and subscribers.
Roasting the by the crown over there, yeah? Yeah. Nobody can tell me nothing. This man here is a man where, I don't know if the man that even like go for apps, because enough time him tell me. Yeah, one part of the man, you told the man live with civilian, you told the man deal with people overall, brother. Me I tell you, me just to feel like him and no man have nothing. Him and no man not have nothing. And always him and his squad them have things. And me I tell you say, the crown of the man by me I tell you I think how much different type of crown them have. Bad blood click crown the nigga have, dog. You put all your foot under the door bottom this so and it open by itself. And them look thing there. You understand me? I say the man crowd sick. And that me know so only a bad man I carry for police always a made him and never tell him straight up. I say, oh the fuck you police. And have this a mansion yeah, and have this and have that and race. I know say the crown get to them head now knowing that him stop driving all van and drive a crown. You get to me I say? Yeah. So I mean nobody tell you nothing about maybe a man or him and no man not have nothing. Him is not that type of person. Man no blood clean man not have nothing, brother. Me I tell you that is a party man. That the man is a party animal. Love bar, love girl. That the man they love girl, that the man they love threesome like Jesus. Me I tell you. That the man there's a party blood clean man. Remember me tell you that.
So my people, right about now people. And basically where this voice recording I try to say people, they don't think that unknown assailants would want this Corporal DEV0N Thomas out because of the relationship that he has people, you understand, with people out there in the street. And based on the fact people, them say the Corporal did get a lot of fight because them said this man, my viewers and subscribers, comes a boom and build a nice place in a Kingston. Me I tell us them say like basically a 4-story place people. You understand it's a house but him build 2 bar on the top people. 2 nice bar on the roof up there. And him did I get a lot of fight my people. And them say fight when did I get wasn't coming from people in the street. It a come from people in the force. Because there was a big talk is how he was just a police people and he managed to come up with those money to build something like that. Well, news come again people is that he recently buy a new car, you understand, because the driver look kind of hold a vehicle like a pickup truck or so, but he buy a new crown now people, one of the latest crown, and they say now this like everything start about the fight and everything, see? So basically what they are saying people, them just think and them know say the corporal was cut down by him own colleagues them, but maybe viewers and subscribers what them say also is that they can come say boom and send man go deal with the works and them no deal with the works themselves, but them say this man was well loved because he was them say people originally from Central Village, you understand, and them say the love what him get from all our Central Village, all Spanish Town people, anywhere people know him as a barman who always comes to boom, go enjoy himself. Them say he's a man who always take care of youth, feed them, give them money. So he was well loved by a lot of younger youths. So all me can say viewers and subscribers, we don't know how Jamaica go. And we biggest thing out there now people, bad mind. Zine, and we know how the fight go. Zine, and when I hear the person attack na the voice to people and I say, look now, them know how the thing go because this man people have be a fight him I get for a long time. And he used to complain about the fights him I get. He used to complain about this, complain about that. And you have to look into things to people. Zine, at times been we are looking up and I say, you know, so such man leak out that because we have seen people, we have heard before of how much members of the security forces, whether the JDF or the JCF get slapped with people. And when them do come to boom and do some real checks and research people, them are here say from them one peers who them a walk with them big thing people come to boom and set them up and get them knocked out. So you will never know. But all I can say viewers and subscribers, boy, it's sad. Zane, if I really the man things make them killing people, the man success because boy, me know you know people are go pray and I say yo the man and where am I do for get the money, he is just a member of the JCF. But people also look people and mind them own business. This man is a big man. He was in the force for a long time people. And you never know the man cannot save him money, the man cannot do this investing money. See, and you just a pray and I say yo this and that. You know, but it just sad people. Them slap out the man, gone left him big old building people, gone left him new brand car when just recently buy. Only Jah sees and he knows. Well people, you don't know the thing man are they attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK production and don't know me I go take on out people with the performance again by this corporal, Mr. DEV0N Thomas, and may his soul rest in peace. And my deepest condolences again to all his family and friends. You don't know the thing. Full force, fully attack. Big up on yourself, people. Peace, love, respect. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. You don't know the thing. Fully attack. Fully.
He can give you the world, but he'll never love you the way. Come on, man. Come on. Play that, man. Come on. He can take you out when he plays you out. You fancy club and restaurants, but I can only stand by what you eat. My nose pressed up against